In a previous video, you were taught how to place an order for domain and hosting. In this video, we will show you how to log into your cPanel, and we will wrap it up with a tour of cPanel. Let us now proceed with the steps, beginning with a lookup of the emails we received after getting our domain and hosting. So, this is the email sent by the domain registrar when this domain npowertechsoft.com.ng was purchased. So, take your time to read the email when you get your own domain names. Okay, so if I click next, I'm going to see the email I got for the hosting details for this domain. Okay, so what you need here is found here. Alright, these are what you need to log into your cPanel, and I'm going to do a demonstration of that right now. So first, you open another browser and input npower, the domain name techsoft.com.ng/cPanel. Okay, so this is the login panel for cPanel. So we come here, we copy the username, you paste it, then you copy the password and you paste. Okay. Alright, so welcome to the dashboard of your cPanel. Remember, in your manual, you were told the similarity between cPanel and Android. Just like Android is an operating system for mobile phones, cPanel is an operating system for websites. Okay, so on your dashboard, we can now see the sidebar. This is your settings, this is your logout button, and then this is your general information, where your primary domain for this hosting is npowertechsoft.com.ng. For yours, it should be different, Then this is the IP address, so you can play with it and check every detail information on the sidebar. Okay, in this training video, we're going to be working with Files Manager. We're going to be working with domains, email accounts, and we're going to be working with Softaculous apps installer. Okay, so File Manager, so let's check out what File Manager is used for. You can use File Manager for two things: for uploading a website, for uploading a theme, and this is how it looks like. So let's now take a look at File Manager. There are two things you can use File Manager for based on the scope of this training: to upload your website or to upload a theme. But this is how it looks like. The next thing is emails. This is what you click when you want to create custom emails for your website. By clicking the create button, you can set up an email. By clicking the create button, you can set up an email. An email that carries an ID such as info@npowertechsoft.com.ng, marketing@npowertechsoft.com.ng, and this could as well be support@empowertechsoft.com.ng. so you can create as much emails as possible based on what your hosting permits. Okay, so that is that about email. And the last thing is Softaculous Apps Installer. This is the area we are going to be working with when we want to install WordPress on the hosting account or on cPanel. So this brings us to the end of this video. See you in another video.